Well, I'm not sure the date. I'm not even sure the date, but I think it's Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. And today we are going to be pouring cement for the first time in regards to a building. And so in Thai tradition, we do a big prayer before they do it. And so unfortunately for the last 3 days, my camera has been broken in my phone. And every day I hope it'll start working again. And unbelievably, this morning it started working. So I'll be able to photograph the ceremony of creating a new building on our land. It should be rather interesting. Lots of prayers and incense. And there'll be the work crew there as well as the kids and other people who are important around us. So I am happy to announce that my camera is working and I can document today, which is going to be a very nice day. See you later. Bye-bye.